Want to speak real Arabic from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ArabicPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Nora. Ahlan, Anna Noura. Welcome to the Arabic Whiteboard lessons. In this lesson, you will learn how to say, "Where are you from?" in Arabic. Let's get started. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to how Hussein says where they're from. Find it and see how it's used in the dialogue. من أين أنت؟ أنا من الإسكندرية. Where are you from? I am from Alexandria. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First we have أنا, I, أنا, أنا. من, from, min, min. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern is the structure that our dialogue followed. من أين أنت? Where are you from? أنا من, place or city. I'm from, place or city. من أين together means where from. And أنت is the masculine form of you. أنتِ is the feminine form of you. Do you remember how to say I? أنا, أنا. And how to say from? من, min. Do you remember how to say Alexandria? الإسكندرية, الإسكندرية. And how to say I'm from Alexandria? أنا من الإسكندرية. أنا من الإسكندرية. In this lesson, you learned how to say "Where are you from?" in Arabic. Thanks for watching. I am Nora, and I will see you on ArabicPod101.com. Salam!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.